How to efficiently realize grain and oil processing. How to get turnkey solutions. How to promote the environment-friendly development of the grain and oil industry. We are committed to providing the advanced solutions for grain and oil mechanical engineering. QI'E Group. QI'E Group is located in Zhengzhou, the capital city of Henan Province, an important central city of China. QI'E is established in 1982, having a high-standard planned processing service center and intelligent manufacturing base. The factory covers about 130,000 square meters land, adopts the world's leading manufacturing technology and highly intelligent manufacturing equipments. We continue to innovate and develop the technology and equipment for pretreatment, solvent extraction, refining, dewaxing, fractionation, and protein further processing, etc., focusing on providing customers integrated solutions for grain and oil engineering machinery planned. Superior designing solution. Exquisite processing technology. Excellent product quality. Professional customer service. QI'E Group has established comprehensive cooperation with series of universities and research institutes. Adhering to the spirit of craftsmen, focusing on the precision production, QI'E Group has always been devoting to develop the grain and oil processing market, including soybean, cottonseed, peanut, sunflower seed, camellia seed, rapeseed, rice bran, palm fruit, walnut, corn germ, shea nut, flaxseed, sesame, copra, castor seed, etc. We have dedicated us to provide overall solutions for customer with intelligent, environmentally friendly, efficient manufacturing and services. 10 to 500 ton per hour oil seeds pre-cleaning, drying, storage section turnkey project. 100 to 5,000 ton per day oil seeds pre-treatment, shelling, and pre-pressing workshop turnkey project. 100 to 3,000 ton per day solvent extraction workshop turnkey project. 30 to 1,000 ton per day continuous oil physical chemical refining turnkey project. 10 to 1,000 ton per day dewaxing, fractionation, winterization process turnkey project. Protein further processing turnkey project. QI'E Group has always been adhering to customer first, providing customers with all-round design and service. 24-hour after-sales service, which has been global recognized and trusted by customers. QI'E Group keeps improving the domestic marketing network, actively implements international strategy. Our projects cover all over China, have reached more than 100 countries and regions around the world. QI'E Group trustworthy. Facing the challenges of economic globalization, intelligent manufacturing, and the environment, QI'E Group always insists on taking science and technology as orientation, management as the foundation, regarding quality as life and customers as God, upholding integrity, mutual benefit and common prosperity, and great virtue promotes growth. We are committed to be the leading pioneer in the global grain and oil machinery industry, a world-class manufacturing enterprise with sustainable development.